Hi all, myself Shruti MB, research scholar of Mysore University. I am going to present my research paper on the topic of changing occupation structure among working age population and its impact on development in Karnataka. Introduction. One of the interesting causes of rapid economic progress of India is associated with larger working share of working age population, that is the age of 15 to 59 years, because India is the second largest country in the world with 859 million of working age population as of 2015 compared to China's population of 1007 million. All working age group are not economically active at all times. The status of person who are able and seeking work also keeps changing most of the times. Hence, in the present studies, the persons who are economically viable under the age group of 15 to 59 years are termed as active workers. Objectives of the present studies are to assess the trend and patterns of working age population and active workers during 1971 to 2011. And the other objective is to examine the impact of shifting occupation structure among working age population on development. And the methodology which is used in this study is the present study is based on secondary data obtained from Census of India website, Directorate of Economics and Statistics, and Karnataka State Gazetteer. The population data are normalized to show the distribution pattern of working age population and active workers in terms of population density per square kilometers, and these are shown on maps using ArcGIS 10.5 version. The formula are used to compute the working age population and active workers. Working age population is the total population who are falling under the age of 15 to 59 age groups divided by total population, and for active workers the total workers in 15 to 59 age groups divided by total population who are falling under the similar age group. Similarly, in order to examine the impact of changing occupation structure on different variables of development, gross domestic products of various physiographic regions is considered, and bivariate correlation model is applied using SPSS 25. This is my study area. Karnataka is located on the western part of Deccan Plateau. The latitudinal extent of the state is between 11 degree 31 minutes and 18 degree 45 minutes north, which forms 750 kilometers of distance, whereas longitudinal extends from 74 degree 12 minutes to 78 degree 40 minutes east, which is about 400 kilometers. The total geographical area of the state is about 1,91,791 square kilometers. The state has geographically divided into four major divisions based on the homogeneity criteria of rainfall, climate, type of the soil, topography, etc. They are coastal region, Malnad region, northern Maidan and southern Maidan. The trends and distribution pattern of working age population and active workers. These are the graphs which I have shown. Bar graph indicates working age population, and the line graph indicates active workers. So both the working age population and active workers are found more in northern Maidan region, whereas So these populations are very less in Malnad region. Then the trends of active workers in agricultural, industrial and service sectors. So here I have divided the working age population, and here the overall active workers are classified into three main categories who are working in the different sectors. First one is agricultural and allied activities, and the second one is industrial activities, and the third one is service activities. So in the graph we can clearly see that the active workers in the agricultural sectors are continuously falling down, whereas the active workers in the industrial and service sectors are going up. That means there the proportion of active workers in industrial and service sectors are increasing in all the four physiographic region, that is in all coastal region, northern Maidan, Malnad and southern Maidan. Especially the coastal region are showing very high in industrial region, whereas southern Maidan are showing very high in service sectors, and the coastal region is showing very less in agricultural and active workers. And this is the spatial pattern of working age and active workers. So here we can clearly see how the working age groups are increasing slightly from different decades. So in all the 5 decades, southern Maidan is showing very high concentration of working age population, and Malnad region are showing very less, and northern Maidan region are moderate concentration. Then here the active workers. So similarly, similar to the working age population, active workers are also more in southern Maidan region, whereas it is moderate in all other region as per 2011. So my next objective is to analyze the impact of changing occupation structure among working age population on development. Shifting occupation structure from traditional agricultural sector to non-agricultural sector, that is industrial and service sector, significantly impact on the economic development. Here I have used a bivariate correlation method between the active workers and GDP of the region. As such, all the 4 regions display negative correlation between agricultural active worker and GDP of the region. Southern Maidan showed strong relationship of GDP with industrial active workers, whereas coastal region had significant relationship with active workers who engage in service sector. Northern and Malnad region have less significant correlation of GDP with industrial sector compared to southern Maidan and coastal region. So this is the result of bivariate correlation using SPSS 25 version. And lastly, the finding and suggestion of my study. From the above study, it is clear that shift of occupation pattern among working age population from agriculture to non-agriculture sector helpful to increase GDP of the region. Proportion of active workers in non-agricultural sector is increasing in recent years. In contrary to this, proportion of active workers in agricultural sector goes on decreasing in all the 4 regions. Coastal region, which has significant growth in concentration of active workers in service sector, also had strong relation with GDP. Southern Maidan, which has larger share of working age population and active workers, still need attention to service sector. And these are all the references. Thanking you. Thank you.